Good morning, Marcel.
Good morning.
Welcome to City Hotel. My name is Ray, and I'm your butler.
Nice to see you, Ray.
Nice to see you too, Mom. Take your luggage, please.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Let's proceed to your suite, Mom. It is in the 20th floor. Mom, allow me to explain our hotel facilities. Breakfast will be available at Wingside Restaurant located in the lobby in the ground floor from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. We also have cafe and business center at the lobby level. Our meeting room is on the second floor. The swimming pool, spa, and fitness gym are on the fifth floor. Let us know if you need to make a reservation for our restaurant or spa. Mom, your nearest spa exit is in the right from your room, and I will place your key card in the electricity slot.
Thank you, Ray.
Mom, allow me to explain your room facilities. You have safety deposit box in your wardrobe, a mini bar where your butler replenishes your drinks every day. Your remote control for the air condition and television is located here. Channel list is on the top on the table. We have 80 channels for your selection. Would you like me to unpack your luggage, Mom?
Yes, please, but my important things, my jewelry and watch, just put in my bed.
Okay, Mom. I am done unpacking your luggage, Mom. Is there anything else I can do to assist you?
None for now. I just want to rest first because I'm tired from 12 hours flight. Thank you for your help.
It's pleasure, Mom. If you need my assistance, just dial 2 in the housekeeping.
Okay, thank you, Ray. I will remember that.
Alright, Mom. I will leave you now. Good day and have a pleasant stay with us. Good morning, Mom. Valet service. Good morning, Mom. May I clean your room?
Good morning, Ray.
How was your sleep last night, Mom?
Good. I sleep well, maybe because I am very tired from my long trip.
Do you have your breakfast for today, Mom?
Not yet.
Would you like me to order your breakfast, Mom?
No, thank you. I have a breakfast meeting with a friend. Maybe a black coffee with cream will do.
Okay, Mom. For a moment. Here's your coffee, Mom.
Thank you, Ray.
Would you like me to prepare your clothes to wear for today, Mom, before I clean your room?
Yes, please iron my printed red dress, the pink long sleeve for my conference meeting, with a gray pencil skirt and include to shine my red black shoes.
Okay, is that all, Mom?
Yes, Ray.
With your clothes and shoes, Mom, would you like me to clean your room now?
Yes, please.
What do you want me to clean first, your restroom or your bed?
Clean my bed first. I will take a bath now, then after you can follow the restroom.
Okay, Mom. Mom, I'm done cleaning your room. Is there anything else I can do to assist you?
Maybe you'll come back later after an hour. I will just prepare myself for the meeting. And then you can come back for my laundry. I will just put it in my basket.
Okay, Mom, I will leave you now.
Okay, thank you, Ray. You are a big help.
It's my pleasure.
Good morning, Ray.
Good morning, Mom Roselle. I believe you're checking out today.
Yes, I have another conference in Japan tomorrow.
Would you like me to repair your bills, Mom?
Yes, please.
What mode of payment are you going to use, cash or card, Mom?
I will pay it with my American Visa card.
Okay, Mom, for a moment. Hello, this is a butler, Ray. Mr. Cell at room 210 is checking out today. Will you prepare her bill for me, please? She is paying it with her American Visa.
For a moment, give me 20 minutes to prepare him bills.
Thank you, Mom. Mom, your bills is on progress. Would you like me to pack your things now?
Yes, Ray. The vault is open. You can get my jewelry there, but you leave my Rolex watch that I will use in the dresser.
Here is your bill, Mom. Kindly check and sign in if it's correct.
Okay, here is my card.
Please sign here again, Mom. Okay, Mom. Your account is settled. Your things are already, Mom. Is there anyone to fetch you? Or would you like me to call a cab for you?
Yes, there is someone to fetch me from the airport. Can you check it for me if it is already in the lobby?
Yes, Mom, for a moment. Hello, Mom. This is Butler Ray. Can you check Miss Roselle from room 210 if her car is already there?
Yes, her car is ready in the waiting area.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you for staying with us. I hope to see you again in your next visit. Have a safe trip and God bless.
Thank you, Ray.
It's my pleasure, Mom. Thank you.